Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to update your Outlook email signature in just a few easy steps. Whether you're adding a personal touch or simply updating your contact info, having a clean and professional signature can make your email stand out. Let's dive in. First, open Outlook in your web browser by heading to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in with your email address and password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you'll land in your inbox ready to customize your signature next. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. This opens a new window with several tabs. Go to the Mail section, then click Compose and Reply. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see your current signature if you already have one. To create a new signature, click plus New Signature and a blank text box will appear. Enter your name, contact info, and if you like, a short quote or slogan that represents you or your brand. Keep it simple. Clean and concise signatures always look more professional. Once your signature is ready, you can choose when it appears. Set it as the default for new emails, replies, or forwards using the drop-down menus. Finally, hit save at the bottom and you're all set. And that's it. Your Outlook signature is now updated, giving your emails a polished and professional touch every time. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.